Alright guys, here we go. Vic Mobile Mechanic back at you with another one. I got a 2014 Dodge Charger. Looks like we're gonna be doing an AC compressor. Let's get at it. Alright guys, to start with, I guess we're gonna start pulling off all the top stuff. Looks like 8 mils for the air duct. Let's take this off. Put it aside there. As y'all can see, it's right here, right around here. Shouldn't be too. Looks like some more 8 mils. Take this off. I'll be able to get away with taking them all off, the whole thing off. Alrighty, let's get a better look at the compressor here. Here's your compressor. We'll unhook the harness here, unhook the lines. And I think we still have refrigerant in this line. Let's start with taking the belt off here. I believe it's 3/8 tensioner. Couldn't get the belt off, or the tensioner, ratchet off of the tensioner. Let's find a port, and that way we can release some of this pressure in this on these valves, or this refrigerant. All right, guys. So I started with pulling the nuts on the back side of the bottom side of the AC compressor. Now we got to pull the E-Torx bolt all the way out so we can get this compressor out. Also, I'm going to start pulling the lines. When you're pulling the lines off, what I usually do, I'll pull the nut so far and then make sure that there is no refrigerant left in the system, so I won't get blasted. And we'll pull this guy a little bit farther out here. And we got another one back here. Ugh. It's not that hard, I just don't want to beat up my hands any further. Hope this don't have pressure in it. I can't get it out. It's all right. We'll deal with it if it does. All right. which it doesn't. Put the nut back on it. Do you have to get through?
I'm gonna try and see if I can just walk. It's alright.
I'm sorry.
It's alright.
And let's see if we have the right torch for this. It's smaller than that. All right, we got it. We just need to change to a 1/4 inch ratchet, and hopefully these bolts come out smoothly. Like an AC line. It's pretty cool. It goes. Oh no, that's not an AC line. That's a water line, coolant line. And on the manual it says for me to take out the fan. I don't see no point in doing that. To me, it seems like it'll come right out here through the top. Guess we'll find out here in a minute. Now the customer is reporting that he has a, when it comes to a stop, the AC comes out, slows down, stops blowing cold air. And so he's thinking it's a bad compressor. So we'll find out once we'll put it on and on. We're not putting on the refrigerant. All we're doing is putting the compressor in, taking it out and putting it in. And the customer said that he's gonna have somebody else put everything else all in. So we'll go with that. All right, both big bolts are out. We gotta do is take out the top part, which I don't know aren't. Or the top bolts. Take out the top bolts and we should be golden. Hopefully. I feel like we need to get a different ratchet. Or not a ratchet, but different socket. That was a good idea, starting at the back one, or with the back one. The front one's fucking slow as hell. All right. Our compressor comes out. Feels like it's still stuck on something underneath or something. We'll find out. Nope, we're good. Oh, it is. It's got another harness here on the bottom. Pressure switch. Let me show y'all the old compressor compared to the new compressor. And AutoZone and O'Reilly's, I guess, are putting this new coat on all their parts. It's all black coated. Looks all right. Smoke that made me think. All right, we're going back in. Can you still hear me? All right. So this one's pre-charged with 3 ounces of, I guess, oil. That's good. All right. Let's get these 2 top bolts first. I love that way that one's going in straight in. Alright. That one's not doing too good. Let's get the ratchet in there. Now in this car we've already done the water pump. So that's pretty cool. Y'all probably remember it. Me doing the water pump last time. Let's get the bottom bolts back on. Don't remember which one's which, but we'll go with this one. I think I grabbed that. Let's see if we can go in. I don't think that's gonna work, guys. I couldn't get the other one off. See if these nuts will work. Seems like the nuts work. What the hell did I do to the other line? Oh, dirt. Now we gotta go find ourselves a 12 instead. 13. And then we'll put this belt back on. It should be donezo. And it's not the damn 12. Fuck it, we'll just keep on going with the 12, 13. I feel like I was at 13 earlier. Am I not gonna reach this shit? There's a lot of cars going that way. Freaking party or something. Alright, so we're all on. All we gotta do is just get all this stuff back on. Motorcycles? What's going on over there? I bet the freaking highway's closed. Dang it. I heard the cops pass by earlier. Oh, I put my ratchet back up, some bitch. Let's get this serpentine belt back on. Alright, good. Try to figure this out. Just gonna go over here, back that way, like so, and then back in there. Alrighty, boys. Alright guys, quick tutorial on how to get your AC compressor on your Dodge Charger. Not bad at all. I mean, now all he has to really do is take it to the shop, which is like $20-$30 or something like that, maybe even $40 to get the refrigerant vacuumed and recharged, and that's all. You got a new AC compressor. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe.